Hello student, Namaste Sabanalai. Today in this video we will be covering a short topic from the chapter cell biology. That is, we will be covering the different types of organelle, whether it is amembranous or bounded by single membrane or double membrane or triple membrane. So without wasting time, let's move into the topic. So in first, I'll provide you a trick to remember organelles without membrane, that is amembranous organelles. In first, organelle organelles without membrane, that is membraneless organelle, membrane. And the trick for the examples are Rajkumar and here N means and Mahesh are close. Remember, as Rajkumar and Mahesh, we can remember like Rajkumar, the Bollywood hero, and Mahesh Babu, the South hero. Rajkumar and Mahesh are close. In first, we have R. R means ribosome. In second, we have N. N means nucleolus. In third, we have M. M means microtubule and microfilament. Microtubule and microfilament. And in fourth, we have C. C means chromosome and centrioles. This all about the amembranous cell organelles. And now let's move into double membrane cell organelle. Double membrane cell organelle. For double membrane cell organelle, it does not need any trick. These are very famous, and there is only two organelle that has double membrane. So remember as plastid and plastid means we can say chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Chloroplast and mitochondria, or you can say plastid and mitochondria. And now in third, we will discuss about triple membrane cell organelle. So for the triple membrane cell organelle, there is only one organelle, and that is transosome. So you can remember as triple membrane, that is starting it from T, and this transosome is also T. So remember as TT. Triple membrane transosome starting from T. And in fourth, single membrane cell organelle. That is remaining all except these all, that is organelle without membrane, double membrane cell organelle, and triple membrane cell organelle. All are single membrane cell organelle, that is remaining REMAINING, remaining all. So my dear student, this is very important, sweet and very important topic of class 11. So take the screenshot and remember these all properly. Take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.